Right now, the sentiment score for artificial intelligence sits at -0.23, with a remarkable momentum drop of -0.85 over the last 24 hours. That's a significant shift compared to the historical baseline, indicating a growing unease around AI developments. You're not just looking at numbers, you're seeing a sentiment trend that could point to something bigger. Our API returns detailed sentiment analytics, including semantic clusters that help you understand the nuances of this dip. Imagine you're building a trading algorithm that reacts to public sentiment around AI. This data could signal the perfect moment to adjust your strategy based on public perception. Get started with our API and explore the insights that matter to you at pulsebit.logenterprise.com/docs.